Netizens are bashing Karnataka CM Siddaramaiah after his post on X, where he blamed the central government for rejecting all tableaus sent for selection for the Republic Day parade. Siddaramaiah in his post claimed that the centre did it intentionally as the Congress is ruling in the state. In the post, Siddaramaiah wrote that the central government has insulted the 7 crore Kannadigas by denying the opportunity for the state's tableau at the Republic Day parade to be held in New Delhi on January 26th. In response, a user wrote this: "This man is worried about a tableau not being accepted while a large amount of business is not coming to Karnataka because of his misgovernance." Not just that, the financial advisor is concerned about the burden created out of freebies. The government continues to appease minorities. Soon, Karnataka will economically become a Pakistan or Sri Lanka. He is the worst CM that Karnataka has ever seen. Meanwhile, Siddaramaiah also recalled that the state had faced the same situation last year where the centre rejected the tableau for Republic Day but later permitted keeping Karnataka elections in mind. The central government has again continued its trend of insulting Kannadigas, he wrote. Congress ministers also came in support of their chief minister. State Infrastructure Minister M.B. Patil said,
"See, that should not happen. All states have got their own heritage, history, and it should be respected. So, rejecting a tabloid of any state, not only Karnataka, any state, and to tell their own heritage and culture should be respected, and this should not be repeated. And it's a very sad moment which has happened over there."
Karnataka Law and Parliamentary Affairs Minister H.K. Patil said this:
"It is unfortunate that a state like Karnataka, which is known worldwide for its art, culture, heritage, and in any of the competition, whether it is of tableau, whether it is of art exhibition, whatever it is, Karnataka is number one, number two, and such a state is refused the opportunity of showing their tableau, exhibiting their tableau. And if this is done like this, I will only warn the government of India that this only causes for erosion of credibility of federal system.
Karnataka BJP President Vijayendra, however, slammed Siddaramaiah. This is what he said.
ಈ ನಾಡಿನ ನೆಲ ಜಲದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅವ್ರು ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಕಾಳಜಿ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಕಾವೇರಿ ವಿಚಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕಳೆದ 6 ತಿಂಗಳಿಂದ ನೀರು ಹರಿಸ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ದಿಟ್ಟ ನಿರ್ಧಾರವನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇನ್ನು ಟ್ಯಾಬ್ಲಾಯ್ಡ್ ವಿಚಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ರಾಜ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ 14 ವರ್ಷಗಳಿಂದ ನಿರಂತರವಾಗಿ ಅವಕಾಶ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ. ಈಗ ಕೊಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಕೇಂದ್ರ ಸರ್ಕಾರನ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ. ಕಳೆದ ವರ್ಷನೂ ಕೂಡ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕಕ್ಕೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ ರಾಜ್ಯದಿಂದ ನಮ್ಮ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಿರಿಯರು ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಸಿಕ್ತು. ಬೇರೆ ರಾಜ್ಯಗಳಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಅವಕಾಶ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋ ಉದ್ದೇಶ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಕರ್ನಾಟಕಕ್ಕೂ ಅವಕಾಶ ಕೊಡಬಾರ್ದು ಅನ್ನೋ ದುರುದ್ದೇಶ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ.
Tableau affair, for last several years Karnataka tableau has been there. Even last year it was not there in the first list. Then I talked to the Honorable Raksha Mantri and it was included. A similar effort should be done by this Chief Minister rather than politicking. He is politicking even in small things, and tableau preparation, everything should be up to date and well in time. So that he has to check it first. However, we also will urge the Rakshana Mantri to see that the tableau is included in the Republic Day.